Bitcoin the 92K trap. Everyone is celebrating. But look at the MAC. Price go up. Volume goes down. This is the zombie pulse. Miners are exciting now. Under 80K is a void. Gravity is coming. I am the architect.